In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and the easiest way to block someone is just go to their profile, just like that, then tap at these three dots, and then tap at block. When you block a person, they will no longer be able to see your posts, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, and add you as a friend. If you want to block a user, just tap at block. Also, we can block user from menu. To do that, go to menu, tap at gear, scroll down until you find blocking. If we tap on it, it will show us the list of all users we have blocked, and from here, first off, we can add another users to our blocked list. To do that, just tap right here and then just start typing someone's name, and then you can easily block a user simply by tapping at block button next to someone's name. And also from here we can unblock any user or any profile page simply by tapping at unblock button, just like that. That's how you can easily block and unblock someone on Facebook.